Hey everybody, welcome back to Tech Odyssey. So today I'm here with a review of the new Vanguard case by ArmadilloTek, and this is for the Samsung Galaxy S10 and S10 Plus that are upcoming. So with the advent of the S10 and S10 Plus just around the corner, I think around the 22nd, 23rd is where they're going to be officially announced. ArmadilloTek is already ahead of the power curve and has their best foot forward with their best case, the Vanguard series. So lots of cool features on this one. It exceeds the military standard grade drop test 2 times over, 360-degree full body protection, front cover with built-in screen protector, two-way portrait and landscape built-in kickstand, wireless charging compatible, and it even has a 1-year warranty straight out of Texas. So you know you're getting the best and the brightest because it is from the Lone Star State, my home state as well. So these guys are a small little operation based out of Fort Worth. I'm totally happy to review their products and support them. I'm down in Houston, so not too far away, but still high quality stuff from some fellow Texans. Now you can pick one of these up for the low price right now of $21.99 on their website. Redirects through Amazon, I believe, so you can get it that way. And here's some of the cool stuff. So it seems like they're military friendly. That's one of the things that they kind of advertise on here: military grade rugged protection. It exceeds the drop test for all the shockproof, drop-proof, dust-proof, scratch-proof, all the wonderful things. And being prior military, I can appreciate these features because I wish years ago that some company made such great products. So here we go. They do tell a little bit about themselves. A small startup from Dallas-Fort Worth area, offer a 1-year warranty. You can get up to a full refund or replacement. So super cool. And even part of their donations go to UNICEF. So if it was enough that they make great products, they also donate to a wonderful, worthy cause. They have an installation video. You can go to ArmadilloTek.com and check it out so you can figure out how to do it. But they also have a step-by-step here on how to put everything together. So this is the ArmadilloTek Vanguard case for the S10. And here's one for the S10 Plus. Let me grab these parts. So just getting my hands on them at first, they do seem to have a really durable and rugged TPU style material that they're made out of. Back looks like it might be polycarbonate with the TPU on the sides. So pretty fancy there. Good high quality stuff. Very resistant to impact, drops, all that good stuff. Here's the tray that goes along with it. Cool. Now, one thing that I have that's a little bit of a surprise is I actually happen to have a mock device that we can use for the S10. So it should basically work the same way as the S10 Plus. So power button here. So I can place it face down in the tray there, and then take the bottom where the ports are at, push that in, lock it into place, pop the top in, and then push the sides around so everything locks into place. There we go. So it's a very protective style case, and it says that there's supposed to be a built-in screen protector that is not evident here, and that might be a holdover from the previous models which did have the screen protector. I know some other case manufacturers that typically have the built-in screen protector are ditching it for the S10 and S10 Plus because it's supposed to have the built-in fingerprint sensor under the screen. So you can see here on the back, clearly there's no fingerprint sensor. You have the 3 cameras, which surprisingly and very nice, one's going to be a regular, well, one's going to be a telephoto lens, one's an ultra wide, and one's a wide lens. So you can pretty much take any kind of picture you want. Samsung still has their biometric sensor for the all the Samsung Health stuff. You got a very nice recessed cutout here for the cameras, so it's ultra protective. You can put this down on just about anything and don't have to worry about scratching it. We got our case stand here, which you can use either vertically or horizontally, so whichever suits your fancy. And I really like the grips on the side here. They have really solid, nice positive feedback on them, plus you can see they're textured there. So you get texture all the way down on the bottom, on both sides. On the top, you got your cutout for the microphone. On the bottom, you got these convenient protective dust covers for the 3.5mm headphone jack, and also for the USB-C charging port, and then you've got nice open air space for the speaker. And then the same goes for up here. You can see there's a cutout for the top speaker as well. And I'm really glad I have this mock unit to put in here so you can see exactly what you're getting yourself into. Now, it's super protective on the front as well. Of course, it has the tray that's built in that your phone will go into, and it'll protect that even better. It's raised up so you don't have to worry about placing it on a flat surface. And then you've got the reinforced security here with the oversized bezels. So you can place it face down, no problem. You can face it on the back, no problem. You can wireless charge it. You can prop it up on a kickstand, and you can do pretty much whatever you want with it because it's a super protective case. Now, same thing goes here with the S10 Plus. We would put the phone in there and then drop it in, and Bob's your uncle. So S10 Plus, S10, and you're good to go. So again, here's what the case looks like. Drop that. We have the ArmadilloTek Vanguard, which I like that. We have armadillos here in Texas, and they're very protective, so why not translate that into the same fine qualities into a case to protect your stuff. So whether you're law enforcement, whether you're military, whether you're just a traditional hiker, or somebody who really likes to keep your phone protected, this is a great case for you, and especially at the wonderful price of $21.99. They're on sale right now. They're normally $39.98. I'll have a link in the drop down so you can go check them out and pick one up if you want. As always, if you have any questions or comments, please feel free to let me know. I'll get back to you and answer any questions you may have about these super cool cases. And as always, thanks for tuning in. Hit the subscribe button, notification bell, all that good stuff. And thank you for your continued support. And I'll see you guys next time.